traction engines here at Dithian Show. There's no parade actually at this show. Only the stationary engines are only there. Steve Corbett Lana, rolling contractors, presumably used for road building, etc. years ago, and the tractors here. There's make some models here, Fordsons, Ferguson T20. Nice array of tractors for smaller farms, once used on smaller farms. Still used on small farms in some cases, although things have got bigger over the years. That's Ferguson 35 in grey there. Another 35 with a cab on it there. Still used on small farms quite regularly. 135, another smaller tractor, but slightly bigger than the 135. 135 is used, quite regularly up to the 80s probably. John Deere, the American tractor. County 4000. The Fordson, there we are. Fordson Major. Fordson became, due to the Ford and Son, just put together. Another T20 there, 35 David Brown there. Cars here as well. Yellow Ferguson here as well. I think BT used to paint them yellow. T20 there, or TD21. International here, McCormick took them over. Another yellow one here. 2130. Starting to get a bit quieter here at the Dithian Show. Lovely evening here. We've got an hour registration. 135. Lovely array of classic cars as well here. Motorbikes, steam engines, smaller steam engines that is. Commercial vehicles, you've got Land Rover, the old Austin Gypsy over there, Bedford vans, Austin commercials, etc. Yeah. ERF there. There's commercials here. Towards the end of the day here, as well as a number of motorbikes, classic and vintage cars. A very proud owner of that original Metro there from 1990, covered 31,000 miles. The old Humber there as well. There's only, I think, something like one or two in the country of that one there. That's all nationally. MG Midget, Morris Minor. All the MGs here. Very rare. Morris Oxford, I think this is. Yeah, Morris Oxford Estate. There we are. The earlier models. Lovely Morris Minor. Together with some other vintage cars, which you may find I've posted on another film there somewhere. American cars, there's a few customised sports cars as well. Mainly this is an agricultural show. Showcasing local agriculture as well, as well as down to country crafts, etc. Foods, produce and other things around here. Lovely old motorbikes here from Triumphs, BSA, Harley Davidson, Norton. Various makes here. Triumph there. And also got a lovely old Triumph Stag here from 1972. think he's got a few other cars here from Trans-Simonter for first restoration. I think he's got a Ford Capri for sale actually. Well, there we are, 1983. Jensen 1972 for sale. German mix here as well. MGA 1957. From a Super Snipe 1990 Metro there. Very rare car there. Not many left. All original. Interesting old Carmen over there as well. And some old Rovers there, vintage Rovers. Here at the Scythian show, showcased here.